Good morning, students. I am Samatha, lecturer in chemistry, GDC Oman Hussaini Alam. Okay, students, today topic is alcohols. Alcohols are the compounds in which a hydroxy group is attached to saturated carbon atom. Here, classification depending upon number of hydroxy groups. Alcohol containing one hydroxy group are called as monohydric alcohols. Okay, alcohols means the compounds which are having hydroxy functional group are called as alcohols. Okay, that hydroxy functional group is also attached to saturated carbon, means single bond carbon is having hydroxy group, those are called as alcohols. Classification depending upon number of hydroxyl groups. Okay, here alcohols containing one hydroxy group are called as monohydric alcohols. Those with two hydroxy groups are called as dihydric alcohols, and if three hydroxy groups are having, those are called as trihydric alcohols. Many hydroxy groups are known as polyhydric alcohols. Okay, based on number of hydroxy groups, these are classified into monohydric alcohols, dihydric alcohols, trihydric alcohols, and polyhydric alcohols. Here ethanol is there, CH3CH2OH, ethanol, that is a monohydric alcohol. 1 comma 2 dihydroxyalkane is there. This is the example, CH2OH, CH2OH, it is 1 comma 2 dihydroxyalkane. And trihydroxy alcohol is there. That is example is glycerol. Glycerol is having three hydroxy groups, so it is called as trihydric alcohol. And next, classification of monohydric alcohols. Monohydric alcohols are again classified into three types: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. Okay, here primary alcohol means example is ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Hydroxy group is attached to the primary carbon, so it is example for primary alcohol. And secondary alcohol example is isobutanol. In isobutanol, hydroxy functional group is attached to the secondary carbon, so it is example for secondary alcohol. And tertiary alcohol is there, example is tertiary butyl alcohol. Here hydroxy group is attached to the tertiary carbon, so it is called as tertiary alcohol. Okay, this classification is based on the nature of carbon. Okay, if hydroxy group is attached to primary carbon, those are called as primary alcohols. If hydroxy group is attached to secondary carbon, then that is called as secondary alcohol. If hydroxy group is attached to tertiary carbon, those are called as tertiary alcohols. Okay, this classification is depending upon the nature of the carbon hydroxy group bond. And next, preparation of alcohols, hydrolysis of alkyl halides, and hydration of alkenes, and catalytic hydrogenation, and from Grignard reagents, reduction of carboxylic acid, reduction of acid chlorides and esters, reduction of epoxides, and oxymercuration, reduction of alkenes, hydroboration, oxidation of alkenes. Okay, these are the preparation methods of alcohols. Okay, first is hydrolysis of alkyl halides. When alkyl halides react with aqueous potassium hydroxide to form alcohols. Okay, here ethyl bromide is there, CH3CH2Br, ethyl bromide plus sodium hydroxide. On hydrolysis, it will give ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Ethanol is formed, that is the alcohol, plus NaBr, sodium bromide is there. And mechanism, first NaOH is decomposes to Na plus ion and OH minus ion. This OH minus ion hydroxy group is attached to ethyl group carbon, and bromine is eliminates outside. Okay, first hydroxy group is attacks on CH2 group, here one transition state is formed. In that state, here carbon hydroxy bond is mm, forming, and carbon bromine bond will break down. So bromine is eliminates outside and form CH3CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol is formed. Okay, this is the preparation method of alcohols. Okay, what is the preparation method here? Hydrolysis of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides undergo hydrolysis with base and give alcohols. And second preparation method is hydration of alkenes. Water adds to alkene in presence of acid catalyst form alcohol. Now here propene is there, CH3CH double bond CH2, that is propene plus H2O gives rise to, it will give 2 propanol, CH3, CHOH and CH3. Okay, it is the 2-propanol. Mechanism, first water is converted to H plus ion and OH minus ion. Here propene, CH3, CH double bond CH2, propene plus H plus ion. Here pi bond is shifted to this carbon and hydrogen is attached to CH2 and converted to CH3. Middle carbon is having positive charge, CH plus. So here hydroxy group is attached on positive carbon and form alcohol. 2-propanol is formed. Okay, this is the hydration of alkenes. And next preparation method is catalytic hydrogenation of aldehydes and ketones. Okay students, catalytic hydrogenation of aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone to form alcohol. It is called as catalytic hydrogenation. First, acetaldehyde, CH3C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde plus H2 in presence of platinum, it will give CH3CH2OH. Ethanol is formed. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Here butane 2-ol is there or 2-butanol is there. This is the product. Okay, butanol. But here reducing agents are sodium borohydrate and lithium aluminum hydrate. Here what the reactant here? CH3 CH2 C double bond O CH3. It is a 2-butanone. It is ketone. Okay, 2-butanone undergo reduction with sodium borohydrate or lithium aluminum hydrate. This 2-butanone is converted to 2-butanol or butane 2-ol. And next is from aldehyde and ketone using Grignard reagents. Okay, from aldehyde and ketone using Grignard reagents. Aldehydes and ketones react with Grignard reagents to give an addition product which can be hydrolyzed to give alcohol. Okay, first aldehydes and ketones are react with Grignard reagents and give an addition product which can be hydrolyzed to give alcohol. Here acetaldehyde is there, CH3C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde plus methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide is the Grignard reagent. Okay, here methyl group is having negative charge. This negative charged methyl group will attack some carbonyl carbon and pi bond shifted to oxygen. So magnesium iodide is attached to the oxygen and methyl group is attached to this middle carbon and form one intermediate compound. This intermediate compound undergo hydrolysis and give 2-propanol or propane 2-ol is formed. Okay, propanol is the alcohol. And next preparation method is reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. Here this is RC double bond OH. Acid is there. That acid undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether. It is converted to RCH2OH. Alcohol is formed plus lithium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide, and 3 moles of acetic acid is there. Acetic acid is there, CH3, C double bond OH. Acetic acid also same, undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether. On hydrolysis it is converted to ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Ethanol is formed plus lithium hydroxide and aluminum hydroxide. And next is a reduction of acid chlorides and esters. Acid chlorides and esters undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride to form primary alcohol. Okay, here acid chloride is there, CH3 C double bond O Cl, that is acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride. On hydrolysis with water, it is converted to ethanol, CH3CH2OH. Ethyl alcohol is formed. And here methyl butyrate is there. Methyl butyrate also undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride followed by hydrolysis. It is converted to butanol. Butanol plus methyl alcohol is formed. Okay, this is the reduction of acid chlorides and esters. Next is reduction of epoxides. Epoxides contain polar carbon oxygen sigma bonds that react with nucleophile or reduced with metal hydride reagents like lithium aluminum hydride to form alcohol. Here 2-methyl oxirane is there. This is one of the epoxide. Epoxide undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate followed by water. It is converted to propyl alcohol or 2-propanol is formed. Mechanism: first, this epoxide is react with the hydrogen, and here epoxide bond will break down and form O minus hydrogen. After that hydrolysis will occur. On hydrolysis it is converted to propane 2-ol or 2-propanol is formed. And next is oxymercuration or demercuration of alkenes. Mercuric acetate and water add to alkenes called as oxymercuration. Reduction of oxymercuration product in presence of sodium borohydride to form alcohol is called as demercuration. Okay, here propane, one propane is there. That one propane is react with mercuric acetate and form one intermediate compound. After that it is undergo reaction with sodium borohydride and deoxymercuration is occurs. Demercuration is occurs and form 2-propanol. Okay, here 2-propanol is the alcohol, means here alcohol is formed. This is the preparation methods of alcohols. And another preparation method is there, that is here oxymercuration and demercuration of alkenes. Mechanism is there. First, this is the propene. This is mercuric acetate, and here bond will break down and mercuric acetate is bind with these two alkene functional group carbons, and after the bond breakdown and mercuric acetate is attached to the CH2 carbon. After reduction demercuration will occur and form 2-propanol. Next is hydroboration. or oxidation of alkenes, addition of borane to alkene, forming an alkyl borane, and oxidation of alkyl borane to form alcohol. Here one propene is there, CH3 CH double bond CH2, one propene. In on hydroboration with BH3, it will give one intermediate compound. On hydrolysis, that intermediate compound is converted to propanol. Okay, this is the hydroboration, oxidation of alkenes. Okay students, these are the preparation methods of alcohols. Okay, first, what are the alcohols? The alcohols are the compounds which having hydroxy functional group is attached to the saturated carbon are called as alcohols. Based on number of hydroxy groups, these alcohols are classified into monohydric alcohols, dihydric, trihydric, and polyhydric alcohols, like that. Monohydric example is there, dihydric is there, and trihydric alcohols also there. Another classification of alcohols is based on the nature of the carbon. Carbons are primary carbon, secondary carbon, and tertiary carbons are there. So if the hydroxy group is attached to primary carbon are called as primary alcohols. If hydroxy group is attached to secondary carbon are called as secondary alcohols. If the hydroxy group is attached to tertiary carbon are called as tertiary alcohols. And methods of preparation, there are 9 methods are there. One is hydrolysis of alkyl halides. When alkyl halides react with aqueous potassium hydroxide to form alcohols. Example reaction is there, ethyl bromide plus NaOH. On hydrolysis, it is converted to ethanol plus sodium bromide. Mechanism is there. That mechanism indicates the preparation of ethyl alcohol is there. Next is hydration of alkenes. Water adds to alkene in presence of acid catalyst form alcohol. Here propane we are taking propane plus water. On hydrolysis it will convert it to 2-propanol. And propane 1 in plus H plus ion, it is converted to one secondary cation. That secondary cation is attacked by hydroxide ion and form 2-propanol. Next is catalytic hydrogenation of aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone to form alcohol. Here catalytic hydrogenation means acetaldehyde react with hydrogen in presence of catalyst, that is platinum, and it is called acetaldehyde is converted to ethanol, CH3 CH2OH, and reduction with lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. Butane to all is there. Here 2-butanone is converted to butanol. And from aldehyde and ketone using Grignard reagents, aldehydes and ketones react with Grignard reagents to give an addition product which can be hydrolyzed to give alcohol. Acetaldehyde, CH3 C double bond OH. Acetaldehyde is there. Acetaldehyde plus methyl magnesium iodide, it is converted to iodo-isopropoxy magnesium. On hydrolysis it is converted to propane 2-ol. And reduction with lithium aluminum hydride, this is carboxylic acid RC double bond OH. Carboxylic acid undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in presence of ether, it is converted to alcohol, RCH2OH, alcohol plus lithium hydroxide plus aluminum hydroxide. Example is acetic acid. Acetic acid undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydride in ether, ethanol is formed, CH3CH2OH. Ethanol plus lithium hydroxide plus aluminum hydroxide are formed. Next is reduction of acid chlorides and esters. Acid chlorides and esters undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate to give primary alcohols. Acetyl chloride undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate, it will give ethanol. And reduction of epoxides. Epoxides also undergo reduction with lithium aluminum hydrate followed by hydrolysis. It is converted to 2-propanol. And oxymercuration, demercuration of alkenes. Here alkenes react with mercuric acetate and give one intermediate compound. That intermediate undergo reduction with sodium borohydrate and give alcohol. Here mechanism is the oxymercuration or demercuration of alkenes. This is the mechanism. And hydroboration, oxidation of alkenes. Addition of borane to alkene forming an alkyl borane and oxidation of alkyl borane to form alcohol. Here propene is there. Propene undergo hydroboration with BH3. Intermediate is formed on hydrolysis. It is converted to propanol. Okay students, these are the preparation methods of alcohols. Hope you understood. Thank you.